Mom, how was your day?
How was your day? ستا ورځ څنګه وه؟
Did you get that job?
Did you get that job? آیا تا دا وظیفه ترلاسه کړله؟
Did they like your food?
Did they like your food? آیا هغوی ستا خواړه مطلب کوم خواړه چې دی خوښ کړو؟
Yes, Sarah. They liked my food.
Yes, Sarah. They liked my food. هو سارا هغوی زما خواړه خوښ کړل.
They hired me.
They hired me. هغوی زه په دنده باندې وټاکلم. hired مطلب چې څوک موږ په دنده باندې ځان سره په وظیفه کې نیسو ایته hired موږ استعمالوو.
I got that job.
I got that job. ما هغه وظیفه ترلاسه کړله.
I am so happy today.
I'm so happy today. زه نن ډېره خوشحاله یم.
I will support you from now on.
I will support you from now on. زه به ستا د یعنې تا د اوسه نه چې دی سپورټ کوم.
I am so happy today.
I'm so happy today. زه نن ډېره خوشحاله یم.
My sweetie.
My sweetie. زما خوږې.
You came early today.
You came early today. You came ته راغلې early today وختي نن.
Hey, how was your day?
How was your day? ستا ورځ څنګه وه؟
I am so happy for
I am so happy for you. زه ستا لپاره ډېره خوشحاله یم.
you, Mom. I want to tell you something,
I want to tell you something. زه غواړم چې تا ته یو څه ووایم.
Mom. I got fired today.
Mom, I got fired today. زه نن چې دی د دندې څخه ګوښه شومه. fired مطلب چې د دندې څخه یو څوک موږ لرې کوو په کور کې یا مطلب د دندې څخه ختموو دې ته موږ fire استعمالوو.
What?
What? So?
Why did he fire you?
Why did he fire you? ولې ته هغې د دندې څخه ایسته کړلی؟
What happened, my sweetie?
What happened? څه وشو my sweetie زما خوږې؟
It was not my fault, Mom.
It was not my fault, Mom. دا زما دغه نه وه غلطي نه وه مورې.
I wanted to deliver a cake.
I wanted to deliver a cake. ما غوښتل چې یو کیک ډلیور کړمه.
But a car came in front of me.
But a car came in front of me. خو یو موټر زما مخې ته راغلو.
I slipped and my cake fell down.
I slipped and my cake fell down. زه وښویېدلم او زما کیک چې دی مطلب هغه ځمکې ته ولوېدلو.
My boss fired me.
My boss fired me. زما باس چې دی زه یې د دندې څخه ایسته کړلم.
It was not my fault.
It was not my fault. دا زما غلطي نه وه.
Oh, my sweetie.
Oh, my sweetie. Oh, زما خوږې.
I am so sorry to hear that.
I am so sorry to hear that. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم چې دا مې واورېدل. یعنې د دې په اورېدو سره زه ډېره خفه شوم. داسې معنی هم ورکوي.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. اندېښنه مه کوه.
I know you will find a new job soon.
I know you will find a new job soon. زه پوهېږم چې ته به یوه نوې وظیفه پیدا کړې ډېر ژر.
I have a job now.
I have a job now. زه اوس یو وظیفه لرم.
We will support each other.
We will support each other. موږ به یو بل سپورټ کوو.
Mom. Amber found a job for me.
Mom. Amber found a job for me. Amber زما لپاره یو وظیفه پیدا کړه.
I have to work at a hotel.
I have to work at a hotel. زه باید په یو هوټل کې کار وکړم.
The salary is good with lots of benefit.
The salary is good with lots of benefits. Salary مطلب معاش چې دی د دې ښه دی د ډېرو ګټو سره د فایدو سره.
Really?
Really? واقعاً؟
That's great news.
That's great news. دا ښه خبره ده.
You should apply for that job.
You should apply for that job. ته باید د وظیفې لپاره چې دی اپلای وکړې.
I know they will hire you.
I know they will hire you. زه پوهېږم چې هغوی به تا ونیسي.
You are a hard-working girl.
You are a hard-working girl. ته یوه سخت کارکونکې جینۍ یې.
Mom. That hotel is in Miami.
Mom, that hotel is in Miami. هغه هوټل چې دی په میامي کې دی.
I have to go there.
I have to go there. زه باید هلته لاړه شم.
What? In Miami. No, Sarah. You cannot go there.
No, Sarah, you cannot go there. نه سارا ته هلته نشي کولی چې لاړه شې.
I have a job now.
I have a job now. زه اوس یوه وظیفه لرم.
I will take care of everything.
I will take care of everything. زه به د هر څه خیال وساتم.
You will stay with me, my sweetie.
You will stay with me, my sweetie. ته به زما سره پاتې کېږې زما خوږې.
Mom, that is a golden opportunity.
Mom, that is a golden opportunity. Mom, دا یو ښه موقع ده.
I have to go there.
I have to go there. زه باید هلته لاړه شم.
You know we need money.
You know we need money. ته پوهېږې چې موږ پیسو ته ضرورت لرو.
We have to pay the rent as well.
We have to pay the rent as well. موږ باید کرایه هم ورکړو.
I am not going there alone.
I am not going there alone. زه هلته یوازې نه ځم.
Amber will go with me.
Amber will go with me. Amber به زما سره لاړه شي.
Please let me go, Mom.
Please let me go, Mom. خیر دې ما چې اجازت راکړه چې لاړه شم مورې.
How can I live here alone?
How can I live here alone? زه څنګه کولی شم چې دلته یوازې اوسېږم.
I don't want to stay alone.
I don't want to stay alone. زه نه غواړم چې یوازې پاتې شم.
Sweetie, this world is cruel.
Sweetie, this world is cruel. دا دنیا ظالمه ده.
You are a good girl.
You are a good girl. ته یوه ښه جینۍ یې.
I believe in you.
I believe in you. زه په تا باندې باور لرم.
I will be extra careful, Mom.
I will be extra careful, Mom. زه به چې دی ډېره احتیاطمنده یم مورې.
I will miss you a lot.
I will miss you a lot. زه به تا پسې ډېره خفه شم.
I have to go there.
I have to go there. زه باید هلته لاړه شم.
I will tell Amber.
I will tell Amber. زه به Amber ته ووایم.
Okay, sweetie. You can go.
Okay, sweetie, سمه ده خوږې. You can go. ته کولی شې چې لاړه شې.
I will not stop you.
I will not stop you. زه به تا ونه دروم.
We have to pack your luggage.
We have to pack your luggage. موږ باید چې ستا سامان چې دی هغه پیک کو مطلب بسته کو.
You can call Amber now.
You can call Amber now. ته اوس کولی شې چې Amber ته زنګ وهې.
Thank you so much, my lovely mom.
Thank you so much. ډېره مننه. My lovely mom زما مینناکې مورې.
I will earn good money.
I will earn good money. زه به ښې پیسې وګټم.
I will support you.
I will support you. زه به تا سپورټ کړم.
Barack, my son.
Barack, my son. Baracka زما زویه.
You were going to leave with Tony.
You were going to leave with Tony. So you were going to مطلب ته روان وي چې د ټوني سره دا ځای پرېږدې یعنې لاړ شي.
Where is he?
Where is he? هغه چیرې دی؟
He had some work, Mom.
He had some work, Mom. هغې څه کار درلودلو مورې.
He went to the airport.
He went to the airport. هغه ایرپورټ ته لاړو.
I will go alone.
I will go alone. زه به یوازې لاړ شم.
I have to go to Miami.
I have to go to Miami. زه باید میامی ته لاړ شم.
I need to work there.
I need to work there. زه ضرورت لرم چې هلته کار وکړم.
I will be back soon.
I will be back soon. زه به ډېر ژر واپس راشم.
Please, Mom, don't be sad.
Please, Mom, don't be sad. خیر دی مورې خفه کېږه ما.
I am not alone there.
I am not alone there. زه هلته یوازې نه یم.
Tony will be there with me.
Tony will be there with me. Tony به هلته زما سره وي.
I will miss you, my son.
I will miss you, my son. زه به تا پسې خفه شم زما زویه.
You have to take care of yourself.
You have to take care of yourself. ته باید په خپل ځان باندې خیال وساتې.
I will call you later.
I will call you later. زه به تا ته وروسته زنګ ووهم.
Have a nice journey, my handsome son.
Have a nice journey, my handsome son. ښه سفر ولرې زما ښایسته زویه.
Don't worry, Mom.
Don't worry, Mom. اندېښنه مه کوه مورې.
I will take care of myself.
I will take care of myself. زه به د خپل ځان خیال وساتم.
I should leave now. I have to catch my flight.
I have to catch my flight. زه باید خپل فلایټ ته ورسېږم یعنی لاړ شم.